Did you know that heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide? And what's even scarier, it can strike anyone at any age. But the good news is, recognizing early warning signs can save your life. In this video, we'll uncover the hidden symptoms of heart disease that many people ignore. Stay tuned to the end because these signs could make all the difference for you or your loved ones. Why is heart health so important? Your heart works tirelessly, pumping blood and oxygen to every part of your body. But when it faces trouble, the signs aren't always obvious. That's why knowing the early symptoms of heart disease is crucial. Ignoring them can lead to serious conditions like a heart attack or stroke. 4 silent symptoms of heart disease you should never ignore. Chest pain or discomfort. This is one of the most well-known symptoms, but did you know that heart-related chest pain can feel different for everyone? Some describe it as a squeezing sensation, while others feel burning or pressure. The pain may spread to your left arm, neck, jaw, or even back. If you ever experience chest pain, especially during activity or stress, seek medical attention immediately. It could be a sign of a heart attack. Unexpected cold sweats. Breaking out in a cold sweat while resting or doing minimal activity could be a warning sign of a heart problem. When the heart struggles, it can trigger a stress response in your body, leading to excessive sweating. If this happens alongside dizziness, nausea, or chest discomfort, don't ignore it. Get checked by a doctor. Swollen ankles and feet. Have you noticed your ankles or feet looking puffy by the end of the day? This could be a sign that your heart isn't pumping blood efficiently, causing fluid retention in your lower extremities. Persistent swelling, also called edema, is a major red flag for heart failure and needs medical attention as soon as possible. Shortness of breath. Feeling out of breath after light activity or even while resting isn't normal. This could be a sign that your heart isn't supplying enough oxygen to your body. If you struggle to breathe, especially when lying down, it's time to take action and see a doctor. Don't wait until it's too late. Now that you know these critical warning signs, don't keep this life-saving information to yourself. Share this video with your family and friends so they can stay heart healthy too. Do you have any questions about heart health? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to answer. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next video.